All right, so any problem that involves rolling two six-sided die, I like to go ahead and write out all the possibilities. There are ways around that, but I think that's the most easily seen and explained way, just with a nice visual. But essentially what we're looking for is we want to find the probability of getting 1 5 or a probability of getting 2 5s. Okay. So for this thing right here, I know that if I'm getting 1 5, there's one. The ways I can do that is I get a 5 and a 1, a 5 and a 2, 5 and a 3, 5 and a 4, 5 5, or a 5 6. And there's also the flip side of each of those things. So 5 1, 2 5, 3 5, 4 5, and 6 5. And technically right here, though, I just made a mistake. This 5 5 is not in there because that's 2 5s and not 1 5. That would be a second category over here where I'd have 2 5s on this side. So that would be the 5 5. So if I'm taking a look at all of these things right here, I have, for the 1 5s, I have 5 plus the other 5. So there are 10 different ways that I could get 1 5 out of a possible 36, because 6 times 6 for the total possibilities, or is addition. And 2 5s, there's only one way for that to happen, so 1 out of 36. So there's a total of 11 out of 36 different ways for that to happen, and which is approximately 30.56%.